For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Starting a business can be expensive and overwhelming, especially when money is tight. But with the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, tools, you can launch and grow a business with minimal upfront costs and maximum efficiency. AI helps you automate tasks, generate ideas, optimize marketing, and even streamline customer service, all while keeping your expenses low. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start a business on a budget using AI. Step 1. Find your business idea using AI. Why it matters. Choosing the right business idea is crucial, and AI can help you find ideas that have market demand but low competition. Use AI-powered market research tools. Platforms like ChatGPT, Google Trends, and Answer the Public can generate business ideas based on current trends and user searches. Generate niche ideas. Ask AI models to brainstorm low-cost business ideas tailored to your skills, interests, and budget. Validate your idea. Use AI tools like TrendSpider or Exploding Topics to validate the popularity and growth potential of your idea without expensive market research. Example, ask ChatGPT, what are some low-cost business ideas for 2025 that require minimal investment? Step 2. Create a lean business plan with AI assistance. Why it matters. A business plan keeps you focused, helps you anticipate challenges, and can be made quickly and cheaply with AI. Draft your business plan. Use AI writing assistants such as ChatGPT or Jasper AI to help outline your mission, target audience, revenue streams, marketing strategies, and budget. Financial forecasting, AI-powered spreadsheet templates, Google Sheets with AI add-ons, or Excel with AI formulas can help you forecast expenses, revenue, and profits. Optimize your plan. Use AI to analyze your plan's strengths and weaknesses by asking it to critique or improve your draft. Example prompt. Help me write a simple business plan for an online handmade jewelry store on a budget. Step 3. Register your business efficiently. Why it matters. You want to minimize legal and administrative costs while ensuring your business is legit. Choose the right structure. Use AI chatbots from legal platforms like LegalZoom or Rocket Lawyer to determine if you need to register as a sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation. Automate registration. Many online services have AI-driven assistants that walk you through business registration, saving you time and fees. Use free resources. Check your local government's online portals, which often have AI help desks for small business registration. Step 4. Build a professional website using AI tools. Why it matters. A website is essential for credibility and customer reach, but custom design and development can be costly. AI website builders. Platforms like Wix ADI, Bookmark, and Zyro use AI to create customized websites based on your input quickly and cheaply. Generate content. Use AI copywriting tools like Copy.ai or WriteSonic to create engaging homepage text, product descriptions, and blog posts. Optimize SEO. AI SEO tools such as Surfer SEO or Rank Math help you optimize your website for search engines without hiring experts. Pro tip. Many AI website builders offer free or low-cost plans perfect for startups on a budget. Step 5. Create a brand identity with AI design tools. Why it matters. Good branding makes your business memorable without expensive designers. Logo generation. Use AI logo makers like Loca, Tailor Brands, or Hatchful by Shopify to create professional logos instantly. Color schemes and fonts. Tools like Coolors.co and FontJoy use AI to generate complementary color palettes and font pairs. Social media assets. AI-powered tools such as Canva's Magic Resize and Designs AI help you create banners, ads, and posts optimized for different platforms. Step 6. Automate marketing and social media. Why it matters. Marketing is often costly and time-consuming, but AI makes it affordable and efficient. Content creation. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to generate social media captions, blog posts, and newsletters. Social media scheduling. Platforms like Buffer and Hootsuite have AI features that suggest optimal posting times and automate content scheduling. AI-powered ads. Google Ads and Facebook Ads use AI to optimize your ad targeting and budget automatically. Email marketing. Use AI tools like MailChimp or Sendinblue to create personalized email campaigns that increase engagement with minimal effort. Step 7. Use AI to streamline customer support. Why it matters. Good customer service builds loyalty, but can be expensive to maintain. AI chatbots. Tools like MiniChat, Tidio, or Drift can handle FAQs, take orders, and provide 24/7 support. Automate responses. Use AI to draft email replies or help desk tickets with platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk. Analyze feedback. AI sentiment analysis tools can help you understand customer reviews and improve service. Step 8. Manage your finances with AI budgeting tools. Why it matters. Keeping your finances on track helps prevent overspending and helps you reinvest wisely. Budgeting apps. Use AI-powered apps like QuickBooks, Wave, or Zero to automate invoicing, track expenses, and generate financial reports. Tax assistance. AI-driven tax software like TurboTax or H&R Block guides you through deductions and filing. Cash flow forecasting. AI tools can analyze your transactions and predict future cash flow to avoid surprises. Step 9. Source products and services smartly using AI. Why it matters. Buying smart can save you money and improve quality. AI product research. Use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10 for dropshipping or e-commerce to find trending, low-competition products. Supplier matching. Platforms like Alibaba use AI to recommend suppliers based on ratings and pricing. Inventory management. AI tools can forecast demand to avoid overstock or stockouts, saving money. Step 10. Continuously improve your business with AI analytics. Why it matters. Making data-driven decisions helps you grow without wasting resources. Google Analytics. Use AI-powered insights to understand website visitor behavior and conversion rates. Customer insights. AI CRM systems like HubSpot or Zoho CRM analyze customer data for personalized marketing. Performance tracking. AI dashboards aggregate your key metrics and suggest actions for improvement. Bonus tips for starting on a budget with AI. Leverage free trials. Most AI tools offer free plans or trials. Test multiple before committing. Focus on automation. The more tasks AI handles for you, the more time and money you save. Stay lean. Avoid unnecessary expenses until your revenue stream is stable. Learn AI basics. Familiarize yourself with AI tools relevant to your business so you can use them effectively. Data-driven decisions, all while keeping costs low and efficiency high. With the right AI tools, a willingness to learn, and a focused plan, you can successfully launch and grow your business without breaking the bank. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.